You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. In English, this is also a name. It generally stands for short for little or little, and that's because, especially in American English, little, as in small, is pronounced little, little, with a flap T that sounds like a D, little. So if you say little very quickly, it sounds like lil, 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 and that's how you pronounce this, lil, as in Lil Nas X, for example. Lil is how you say it. Lil, Lil. There are a few rappers' names that are like this: Lil Uzi Vert, Lil Tay, Lil Peep, Lil Baby, Lil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.